Well, so from my point of view, it is not a good habit. Means procrastination of anything is like the sign
Yes.
of laziness. That we are lazy, because of that we are just delaying those things on the tomorrow.
Okay. So do you think I'm lazy?
No, I'm not saying about you. I'm
Just kidding,
saying
kidding.
general.
No, no, I know you're not saying. Okay, just kidding.
Yes, so it is not a good habit when we delay anything on tomorrow. I've heard that something that we always say, we always, sorry, how to say?
Think for first.
We
Think about it.
always think, we always leave things on tomorrow that we will do on, for example, today I have to complete my assignments.
Yes.
So I will, I mean, I'm thinking like I will not do today. I will
Do
do
it
tomorrow.
the next time,
So
right?
that tomorrow will become today.
Hmm.
Then
And
again I will
again,
say tomorrow. So that tomorrow
right.
will never come.
So if you want to ask somebody, somebody has cheated you, somebody has betrayed you, go today and ask them for money. If you want to get your video recorded, do it today. If you want to be successful in life, if you want to offer salah, do it today. There is no tomorrow.
Tomorrow
That's
never
a very good
comes.
point. I think so. Jazakallah khair. We all have in life is today.
Yes.
Nobody knows tomorrow, the next hour,
We should be punctual on
right?
time.
So I think God knows best. And thank you so much, Asma. I think we should stop here. It's 15, 14 minutes. I think so. Assalamu alaikum. Take care.
Welcome.